Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some coffee ice cream. First, I whipped about 2 cups of heavy cream with a hand mixer. After the heavy cream became frothy, I added about 1 small can of condensed milk. Then I whisked everything together. Next, add in your coffee powder and mix everything together. You can add as much as you like depending on how strong you want the flavor to be. After my mix was combined and had a whipped texture, I added everything to freezer-safe containers and froze it for about 5 hours. When you're done, it should look like this. Enjoy!